Yo, today is the day 74 of my econ journey. So today I checked my numbers in Facebook ads. So I can tell I matched what my audience watch organically. I have some comments, likes, even DMs. Also some add to carts, but still no sales. Maybe it's mean my landing pages suck. So yeah, I checked it and it's like it's tell about problem a lot, but no give a solution. So I need to improve it, and I'm started to improve it. Tomorrow I need to finish it. Also, I want to write some copy for image ads. I want to focus on image ads. I don't like video ads. So yeah, that's all. We'll keep you updated. Peace out.